crossing from you go on the highway and you go on a open line on the passing lane on the Hobbs Highway, and then you make a left turn, and with me it would be okay, but my wife and my children are not far away from getting their driver's license. But then you go in a passing lane and you drive 550 feet to do in a passing lane, which makes they removed this pass crossover and by creating a accident waiting to happen. That's the way I look at it, because there's no get out of the lane zone now. So you go on a you have to wait, and the other day there's a couple of vehicles that are passing, so you have to park in the passing lane to make a left turn. So it's
But
just
can't you go around in the subdivision and come out 209B?
Well, yeah, you can do that. Yeah. Again,
And I'm just saying, that'll be TxDOT's position, that you've got a safe exit at 209B. It messes up the access for 209A, but you've got a connection inside the subdivision that brings you out to 209B.
Yes, I know it's a text work. I understand. So maybe a comment or try and help. We're trying to get it back, but probably with no luck.
Well, it's not that we're not sympathetic, because we had our own fight with TxDOT out here on the Hobbs or Lubbock Highway, and they made a decision without talking to our commissioners. So we do have we've got some empathy there, but I just don't know that we'll get anywhere with it. Observations, guys?
They got the cables up?
No.
They hadn't even started the cables.
But they dug out the.
Hadn't turned the tap since.
They've dug up that one crossover.
Well, I don't mind calling them, but I can tell you, I've already talked to them over this other one, and if they've made their mind up, there ain't much we can do for you, but we can try.
They destroyed a good crossover that was wider and it was smoother and it was better than the other one.
I've also dealt with them already, with the director of engineer, and they just don't wanna do it, but we feel that it's creating more congestion on the main one that they have left for us now, because there's also a subdivision on the south side that's rapidly developing. So we feel like that area is super congested now, and it makes no sense that they took away 209.
And also it's like now you're redirecting traffic through the community where there's children out at play. Like there's more traffic going through the community now because they have to go and take the other exit. So in essence, I'm not sure you're killing one bird with, I don't know, it just doesn't make
It's
sense.
out of our jurisdiction.
Yeah, there's nothing we can't
we can't.
we can't make them do nothing. We can ask, but
Yeah, we can ask, but
and they can tell us
Do
no.
a resolution. That's probably about it.
Do we wanna do a resolution?
I don't know. Ma'am?
The senator's office told me that to get in contact with the local authorities, y'all, and that if y'all were in our favor, that would help to support us. So that's what they told me to
Who
do.
was that?
Senator Seliger's office.
So it's representative.
I don't mind doing
I don't
a
mind doing a
resolution.
resolution. I don't mind trying to help, but
Okay, well, I will work on the resolution and bring it back to court.